you want to make sure that you get the most out of your TLC scheduling app, you're going to want to make sure that all of the notifications are turned on. The best way to do that is to navigate to your settings. You want to find notifications, and then you're going to scroll to find the TLC Family Care app on the list of apps. Once there, you want to make sure that you allow all notifications. You want to make sure that the lock screen, notification center, and banners are on. Your banner style, you're going to want to have persistent. You're going to want your sounds on, your badges on, and you're going to want to make sure that you announce notifications. You're going to want to show previews always, and automatic notifications grouping. That's the best way to get all of your TLC notifications from our new app.